Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a trending AI dance video with Viggle AI. In order to do so, first off you're going to want to go to Viggle.ai and log in, and once you're there then you should be met with a screen that's similar to this. So this is what you're going to see when you first get there, and you have a few options. You can either download the app on the App Store or Google Play. You can install the APK on Android. You can try it on the web, or you can do it from Discord. It seems as though the best results you're going to get are going to be through Discord. However, we're going to go ahead and try it on the web for now. And I'll just show you a couple of examples of what I've done. So here you can see that I've taken a just random character that they provided here, and you can see what the results are there. We have our muscular man dancing around, and then in this case I took one of my own images and added some dancing to it, and there you can see what the results are of that. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we can expect on Discord. So as far as Discord goes, what I've done is, first off, what you want to do is you want to come to one of the animate rooms here. Anyone will do. And then in the prompt box, you're going to type in /animate, and you'll get the option to upload your image, which I've done. And then you're going to get an option to either put in a motion prompt and also to select your background. As far as the background goes, you have a few options. I might suggest that you select from template, because in this case what we want to do is we want to get the little yachty stage entrance that most people are familiar with. So I found that by going on the website. Let's just go back to the website here really quick, and you can search through all of the different options that are there, and I found the little yachty stage entrance, which I'm sure you have seen. It's been around quite a bit. You have that being used for a lot of different famous people who are out there dancing on stage, and from there you can copy the prompt, which I've done here, and then we're going to bring that over into Discord, which I've done here. And once that's all in, we're going to go ahead and hit enter. And now Viggle is going to start working. So here it says we're in the production queue. The video will be finished within 1 to 5 minutes. So I'll just hit pause and we'll be right back. Okay. So that did take a good 5 minutes or so for it to finish. Now that might just be because we're on the free version, but we'll just go ahead and take a look at the results here. So here we have our source image, and then here we have the result. So we'll just hit play on that. So we didn't get our butterfly wings in there, but that was somewhat to be expected. But as far as the results go, it's pretty much as advertised, and it's pretty cool. So this gives you an idea there of what to expect with Viggle AI and how to create your own trending AI dance video. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.